Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your iPhone over to your Windows computer. And this is really easy if you want to go ahead and screen mirror it. And you can see on my screen right now, I have my iPhone right here. Now, how am I doing this? It's really easy. You want to get this application called LonelyScreen. So let's open up a web browser and then just go to lonelyscreen.com or type this in on Google or Bing or any kind of search engine. LonelyScreen. This is the direct URL on the top. Just like that, then go to download and download it right here for Windows. Now it says license $15 a year. That is just like more of a donation thing. You don't need to actually donate money or spend any money on it. It is free. And it's going to be a little bit less convenient to use if it's free. But all you have to do is go to maybe later and you should be able to use everything like normal. So let's bring up LonelyScreen right here. And it should be easy to connect to. So on your iPhone now, in the upper right side of the screen, scroll on down by like the battery percentage. Then go to this little button in the middle of the screen and hold down on it. And there's going to be a couple different options. I have my Web OS TV, LG. And then just type LonelyScreen and accept any kind of permission that pops up on the screen. And you should be able to go ahead and just do this rather easily. Then you can stop screen mirroring on the bottom. I believe you can rotate your phone, can you? So if you have something open up, you can rotate your phone, I believe. Maybe not, but you can bring up the camera too. So here's me filming that. And it's really easy to do. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Tech. Maybe later.